Good morning, y'all. Today is Wednesday, July 24th. I'm going to make a quick run before I go into work. I have a surprise party for my mom tomorrow. It's her birthday. She'll be turning 65. So I wanted to help and come to Walmart real quick to pick up a few things because I know they have a lot of rain later. So when I get off, I don't want to come back on the road. So yeah, I'm going to get that. And then tomorrow, I'll work until maybe from 7 to 11 at work, and then go home and start preparing things for the party because it starts at 4. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to get as far as that. Prepping for the party. Just a few things. And a few things over here. Yeah, cool. I got the outside. Yeah. Hey y'all, hello this. I know I look a mess, but it's not about me today, it's about my mama. Today is her 65th birthday, and we have a surprise party for her at my house. And so I just went to pick up the cake, and a few other things. I decided to cook her a gumbo as well. Not a whole bunch of stuff, little chicken and sausage, whatever. But I think she will be very surprised. So I'm on my way home to get started on the food that I have to cook. So yeah, fried chicken, do her gumbo, bake macaroni, and I have a cake. And y'all have to see this cake. It is so pretty, and I love the way these people bake. And it was worth every dollar. Make her run. I don't care if you got to use the bathroom first. Use the big on the stop first and put in your tongue. I want my cake now. Open and lock it, just lock.